Uh, Once again, we will have a small discussion on Kirchhoff's laws. I have taken a Kirchhoff's junction rule where the mathematical statement says that sum of I equal to 0. So what is this mathematical statement? Kirchhoff's rules or laws are one and the same. They are the observations made by Kirchhoff's and they are expressed in terms of a statement. Statement means a rule or a law. The first law, I have written junction. What is a junction? A point in a network, in an electrical circuit. A point, junction is a point in an electrical circuit where three or more than three conducting paths comes and meet. Three and more than three conducting paths come and meet. Let me take an example, small diagram. Think this is a point. Now let me take 5, right? Now think it is I1, which is leaving, I2, which is entering. Let me take this again, I3 also enters. And let me take this I4 is leaving. Just abstract subscripts. And again, it is entering. It is I5. What is this? Call it as point P. Call it as point P. Point P is a junction. What is point P? Point P is detected in a circuit where three or more than three conducting paths come and meet. In this case, I have isolated the diagram. Let P be a point in a circuit where this is one conducting path, second conducting path, third conducting path, fourth conducting path, fifth conducting path. Now, what we have noticed with respect to this point, this arrow mark is going out. We call current is leaving. I1 is going out. I2 is means current is entering into the point. P is a reference point. With respect to point, current is going out. Current is entering. Current is entering. Entering means arrow mark tick. Entering. And again, this is entering. Means I2, I3, I5, the current enters, whereas I1, I4 are leaving. So this mathematical equation can be rewritten as the amount of current enters the junction equal to amount of current leaving the junction. What is this IE? I stands for current, E stands for entering the junction. The amount of current entering the junction equal to amount of current leaving the junction. Let me do the mathematics. Now what is this? Entering the junction, I2 enters, I3 enters, I5 enters. I2 plus I3 plus I5. Whereas, look at this arrow mark. With respect to this junction, I1 is leaving out and even I4 is leaving out. Only these two. Yes. I can write on the other side, this is I0. I0 means current going out of a junction. O means out. So it is I1 plus I4. To satisfy this equation, I can rewrite it. What is the rewritten? You can write all the things here, which is equivalent to, that is I2 plus I3 plus I5. This is minus I1 minus I4 equal to 0. So, or I can write it, sum of the current entering into junction equal to 0. So statement wise, let me write amount of current entering a junction is equal to the amount of current leaving the junction. Entering. These are the keywords. I hope you got it. What is Kirchhoff's first law? Kirchhoff's junction rule says that junction is a point in an electrical circuit where 3 or more than 3 conducting paths come and meet. So let me take I1 is leaving out, means current is going out, current is entering, current is entering, current is leaving, current is entering. So amount of current entry equal to amount of current going out, amount of current entering statement also I have made. Mathematically I have written it. Finally, sum of current entering, what is this relation? It is an algebraic sum. It is called algebraic sum. The algebraic sum of current entry and current leaving a junction is going to be 0. The second law, which is Kirchhoff's more interesting aspect. So both first law seems to be very simple. It is current related to current. The second law is related to voltage. Both are key parameters. The second one, Kirchhoff's, more celebrated because twice. H stands for happiness, H stands for happiness. Of course, F stands for focus towards your growth, right? Kirchhoff's, yes, loop rule. What it says, it signifies the algebraic sum of EMFs and potential differences is equal to 0. Let me explain it very effectively. What is this mathematical statement? The algebraic sum of, when you traverse through a closed loop, I will discuss what is traverse. Means when you travel through a closed loop, let me give a brief example. If you start from your home, reach a college and go back to the home, it is called one particular loop. You started at your home, starting point, you go to the college, then go back to your home. It is called complete loop. Whenever you traverse through a loop, electrical circuit through a loop, whenever you measure EMFs plus potential differences across a resistor, the algebraic sum of the EMFs plus potential differences you measure across a resistor is equal to 0. That's why it is mathematically written as net. The sum of the potential differences or EMFs across the cell is 0. Of course, we'll have a small diagram. Yes. If I apply current law, this is called junction rule. What it says, junction rule says the net current entry into junction is 0. And if I take into this whole circuit, A is a point, H is a point, I have written A point, B point, C point, D point, E, F, G, H, where A is a junction and D is a junction. A is a junction and D is a junction points, where all other points in the circuit are just for learning process, just for understanding. A and D are junction points. Now, if I write a current junction rule for A junction, it is A junction. So it gives me the amount of current entering is I3, and there is